what I'm trying to get you to understand fit is the individual termination spots.
He said no inside.
As opposed to the sections where you go.
That's the inside.
This is your arm. There's nothing there. You're just doing shit. Yeah. Boom, boom. Okay. He doesn't like that. But as soon as I release this, keeping this relaxed, this will just come up with relaxed in the wrist. Very important. Okay. A mistake that's made here in your roll, okay, is that it's long cell, it's here. I'm never making that because I didn't release it. See, that's the other thing in the section. It's actually this, but that's not going to happen. So this will come up. That's fine. Okay. You just need the space to get this little bastard in there. Okay, so as soon as this, yes, yes. Okay, see if I release the other one, we'll drop the elbow and punch me. Right. That wouldn't be very exciting. Right? Comes in, whoa. You see? So it's not, so the elbow raises. There's termination spot, nothing from you, bang. If he doesn't like that, go, bang. I don't like that, boom, bang. All right, boom, bang, it's there. And then he doesn't like that, so he does a jumping punch, boom, bang. You see, that's how the Chi-Sao sections are actually supposed to be. Versus some choreographed nonsense that...
Right. Just going through the motions.
Yeah, and you don't even understand the motions that you're doing. What's the point of that?